say I just wanted to leave this review for the amazing Ed and the amazing COA Clients and Automation Program that I am now heavily involved in and loving every minute of it. Okay, so my business before COA was virtually non-existent. I struggled to bring in leads, I struggled to find a flow, I struggled to find a structure. So yeah, not that good, to be honest. The hesitation in investing in COA was purely the money. I didn't have that amount of money just to chuck at something in my back pocket. It was a lot of money for me to invest in it. It was a big decision. Scared that I wouldn't be able to earn it back. So yeah, that was the only hesitation. My mindset has changed slightly, just in the fact that I now know I can do this. I knew this program was for me. I knew this program would be able to crack the code that I was looking for. I knew it would be able to get me where I wanted to be, and I still know that. But yeah, more belief in myself, I think this program's given me so far. Lead generation was the biggest thing for me. I had literally had no lead generation before this. No structure either. Structure was really hard for me to put into place. I've got lots of motivation and lots of information to give, but just no structure to add to it. So that's what COA has given me in abundance. So I've achieved the structure, the flow and the lead generation that I definitely would not have been able to do that on my own. I needed COA to help me with that. So other outcomes that I've achieved, basically it's opened my eyes to more. It's opened my eyes to other revenue streams coming into my business, how I can get my business and my voice out there and help more people, to be honest. Mainly the structure. So like the ClickFunnels structure that's been put in place, that was massive, and that has opened so many different funnels that I'm utilising and starting with at the moment. Then just like the structure of how to put the presentation in place, what testimonials, amazing one. I never asked for testimonials, which is probably why my lead generation has not been great, but testimonials, asking for them and asking the right questions, that's been a major implementation as well, that's helping me so much. I've never done any other programs before. I've literally just looked for stuff on the internet. So this, I knew, as soon as I heard Ed, I knew on social media, I think it was. Yeah, I just knew that I needed to jump on board and take part. And the support is phenomenal. I do feel like I have got Ed on hand 24/7, along with the other guys. I do feel like I can ask any question I want. I won't be ridiculed or laughed at. My questions literally get answered in seconds, not even minutes, seconds. The support is second to none, something that I've actually never experienced before. So yes, I hope that helps. It's a bit more than 2 minutes long, but yeah, I hope it helps.